To protect your floor, always set the steam mop in the cooling storage tray when not in use. Once the unit has cooled, you can remove the pads and either hand rinse or machine wash in warm water with detergent. Do not use bleach or fabric softener when washing the pads, and lay them out flat to dry. Additional replacement pads are available at www.hoover.com or through an authorized Hoover dealer. Use only the authorized Hoover microfiber pads on this product. The Contact Us sticker on the back of the steam mop has a toll-free customer service number if further assistance is needed.